Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Bring 2 liters of water to a rolling boil and add 1 tsp salt. Add 200 grams dried Hakka noodles and stir for 3-5 minutes until just al dente. Timing is critical. Drain immediately and rinse under cold water to stop cooking. Toss the noodles with 2 tablespoon oil so they stay separate. While noodles cook, chop 1 cup cabbage, 1/2 cup carrot, 1/2 cup capsicum, and slice 2 green onions. Prepare 2 cloves garlic and 1 inch ginger, minced. Heat a large pan or wok and add 1 tablespoon oil. When shimmering, add 2 cloves garlic and 1 inch ginger, minced, and sauté until fragrant. Increase to high heat and add chopped 1 cup cabbage, 1/2 cup carrot, 1/2 cup capsicum. Toss for 2 minutes to keep a crunchy texture. Push vegetables to the side and add a dry pan moment. Pour in 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tsp vinegar, and 1 tsp sugar, stirring to combine into a glossy sauce. Add the drained noodles to the wok and toss continuously for about 1 minute on high heat so the sauce coats every strand. Taste and adjust salt. Drizzle 1 tsp sesame oil and toss once more to add aroma. Remove from heat and garnish with sliced 2 green onions and a lime wedge. Serve immediately while hot. For protein, fold in 150 grams pre-cooked chicken or 150 grams tofu in the last 30 seconds. Enjoy Hakka noodles fresh. They lose texture if kept warm too long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.